Hi, my name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA, and what we'll be doing today is going over questions that you guys have that are relevant to the current times that we are living in. As you can probably see, I have not had a haircut in quite a while, and that's because of the COVID-19 situation. They're just starting to open up places again, including my favorite food place in the area, which is the Island Grill on Merritt Island. Let's begin with the question: can I still get disability benefits during the coronavirus? Yes, we've had lots and lots and lots of claimants get disability benefits during the coronavirus period. However, there's one slowdown, and the big slowdown is the CE situation, the consultative examination appointments, the medical appointments set up by the SSA. So what that means is that if you get to DDS and they are requiring, as part of your adjudication, for you to go to one of their medical experts, one of their doctors, it means that basically you're not going to be able to go because they're all closed down. So that's a bit of a problem, because then you can't go ahead and get their review, their doctor, to see you in all those details, which means that it slows down the process for adjudication for DDS. Now, with that said, is the local filing office pretty much doing everything, going forward and pushing things? Yes, because they're in their own little bubble. They're not seeing people coming in. It's all just, telephonic, or basically, rare cases they'll actually see somebody. The hearing office, the OHO, is doing everything telephonically, which means that every single hearing that I have is being done in a telephonic fashion, and it's just been pushed off not just September, but into October. And the reason why the OHO hearing office is doing that is because the judges, most of them are older, and they have some sort of impairment. So it's something else to consider. So can I still get disability benefits during the coronavirus? Absolutely yes. You absolutely can. It may be slowed down during the DDS initial filing or DDS reconsideration phase if they can't send you to a doctor. Now, how do you get around that? You just have to basically have a current physician review your medical conditions. If their doctors aren't seeing people, are your doctors going to be seeing people? Probably not. You're going to have to wait an extra month, 2 months, 3 months until they reopen up again. Okay. My name is Attorney Walter Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA, an Orlando, Orange County-based Social Security disability law firm. If you have any questions at all, or you want the most up-to-date information, or you want a custom video made, that's fine. Shoot me an email or give me a call, and we will catch up from there. All right? I try to do these videos at night. I try to do a bunch of them at the same time. Obviously, out of every single attorney that does disability tutorial videos, I've done more. But with that said, I don't really take a lot of time to prep them. So there might be some better ones out there, so search around, but usually I get a lot of good people coming back asking me questions due to my blunt way of dealing with and interacting with the Social Security Administration when it comes to information transactions. So, all right, I hope you do very well. I'll catch up with you a little bit later and we'll go from there. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.